Ebusham from my mom, Aquaba, ever Ghana 70 VGH, let's say, like a comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime I post a video, it's a way to some make it. Ebusham for me, in Sabat, me to many crime of me 30s. Now, I've seen a couple of elections that were Ghana. Yeah, at least Anya Sheen. Meniba, Monswa. I saw the 2000 election, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024. And Ukraine meaning say, men election bia aye dirty. Campaign aye dirty, campaign aye fin. They said 2024 election. Campaign aye this for year. Never have I seen any election like that. NDC for ombo modern kasa AF campaign fin dirty campaign. Editi Akufo-Addo ni ba omia. Esa campaign ultimately say Muslim ni eka che oni nia Muslim ni so repreko. Malik. Na sa campaign so na John Mahama His Excellency akoka say Akufo-Addo enam me kan say ni bad luck nti na nsi onto. Sana Mahama ema ye hu ye say nsi onto ase say nsi onto na flood ACC a ayo mampeni ni bad luck nti. Mahama no. Na sa campaign so na NDC ni koka say President Kufuor we nya 80 years plus no. Osunwa no. Oti wheelchair mu no. Ene ma boni a oye entiana and not wheelchair. Same campaign here. It's not NDC for they were so dirty. Now be some say, okay. Say your first NDC logic say, your man penino ni bad luck enti. And ansio flood into Mississippi. Any a few we know. So far, flood I see ewa Accra na nye easy. Na nye Accra nkwa she say there. Me where the first time I met say flood I see wo Kumasi. Let me first time I met it. Say flood. Let me see KNUST. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Where first time I met Nkrumah many Akufo-Addo mreso no. I never heard say Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology fl00ded. But under Mahama. And he say a bad luck ntina. Flood to me see under Akufo-Addo. And ye would ye Mahama de musio. And ye bad luck ke musio. A case. Because they say for the first time, stream, your mama free also to me fladibi. The ban is saying, but the mama ban is saying, bad luck, no. Per your own logic, we don't think because one okay say, man penny bad ni lack of here. It is what about my power. Now saying na unsio. Ebe yi nkofo free omufie omudam Accra Kumasi Sremhonum. Any you have questions to answer and you must answer them because this is not what you discussed. Your mama, when you say this is what you promised us. You told us once you vote against MPP, bad luck no beko. And you are bad, the bad luck promise about the same MPP.
Right? Omu ban no na sika no go omu first from 2024 to January 2025 all the way to the December no na sika kakra na MPP for the eja ho no enti no omu ban no omu say that's all boom 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 so what I say sika ni nyina asa they don't have money to recruit na senka nyesa anka finance minister meka say Oma kobo bisia 17 million the tua workers sika. You see? Yes, that's the secret. Enti awomu entimi enye yin because amamo no omunim NDC for nim say na ebu mind. They know how to talk but they don't know how to govern. Oh, and almost Ghana na cop back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They don't know nothing. Make me free healthcare ho akọ you know. Yeah, your friend is saying sa flood ya sama woken. So we back ya na kufa de number be free soon. Kra excavators I friend come to the drip or whatever it is. Right? Opa bisa say drip na the ma every constituency ya ma woman ewa almost sending nyina kogu mining area. So na excavator and then you did this still got a simone the so-called Kole Lagoon money those kind of stream and then de eye ho adwuma say ni nyina bako kura ni wa e wo inner city bako kura ni wa inner city wom de ni nyina kogu mining side. So na kufu no ba they create sanitation ministry. And the sanitation ministry, so who was now we minister, who head or what? Oh, we say sanitation ministry, no. Although Ghana, ain't mean yet is America, and I say Ghana ain't mean yet is America, and I say UK and now whatever developed country, but at least na enso ni ntimi nyiri ti say de say enso to kakra bia na I cover the whole say me hu say wo di video bi as picture bi kire tech second UST na wo show no how can say enso to again UST na ho nyina flood. It's impossible.
Say the way say what say no ni hu no
oh and cran baby enso to flood enko nyina enso to 30 minutes but na ho nyina ayeyi because yem prapra krom yen tigotam yenye bibia so na wo ye we a na be ka kire say yenye discipline wo president no na onye discipline
no
no ministers no na onye discipline enya Ghana for na onye discipline
ne kan
so
kan
and sometimes so no say ye was social media ye be to say ni ye bobo Ghana ho a oni bibia ka tie bi tie de kan bi men for wano mam emeka asam tutu mputuru ngu krofo ani because opposition no o se na kufu adomu amamu obone na ma flado eba but na mati said the eba say oh say ajonsam you can do nothing ajonsam
yeah and enough me no ka say enough nyina nsu yira enya asem keto
yes
look asem keto
say me sa afari hospital na ya na ansan say hospital ye be ka say sa hospital we 500 bed capacity no na a big hospital because me hwa me krom ha Hartford hospital and area mu ha hospital kese 1,000 bed capacity na me dey compare say hey so half of this hospital no and after hospital near say 500 bed hospital like I say a big hospital so
yeah
na sa hospital we mu nyina no mamie bia me hwe the way me hwe social media Kumasi enclave Asante region Hong Kong hospital wie ya equipo no omo enya adwuma it's about more than almost 6 hospitals
yeah
na sa hospital we nyina say ye mie ye no and the pressure beba your friend is saying G confirmation and the pressure beba ho because confirmation hu sa no hello
offer we nkwa na afari nkwa no theaters ye 15 oh.
That's what I'm saying.
15 operating theaters.
Because look, Accra you Kolebu, you 37, you Rich Hospital, you Hivampo, you Munkabinga Homame. Yeah, police hospital.
37. No.
Yeah. Kumasi is not like that. Or Ashanti region is not like that. And yeah, can Ashanti region now you can san. Oh, Accra now regions na ebembe ni nyina. Okokofodua ya Okofodua regional hospital ho. Oba enkokwa ye wo your friend is say Roman hospital ho. aye big. Uko Kibia, your Kibi Hospital, Nina big. Ofro be pon so come mountains, so your Mampon Hospital, right? Yes, Tete Kwashi, your Uko your whole regional hospital, and even Accra no hospital, and no a year, son. The surrounding regions now honing na. A teaching hospital, yes, hold your crisis. So mine teaching hospital. So teaching hospital is like a comfort pepe. But whereby uba Ashanti region and Tessa ni enclave nyina no. Omo nyina ba comfort So na ya wie hospital ebetimi amana aboa comfort na. Wosi me bia no a sa party no ebenya animonyam ti me nya dia. You are stupid.
Yeah.
So you bo mansa sometimes no yeah politics na momianka enema no bo ha nya bibia na ebetimi dia politics. Enti sa amammo no omu hu so a sense the ministers so na Ghana for the some ya amse reshuffle or no be change mu amane bia akoye dia onye because the omu ye ne de emwa country esa na etwe country ne economy too much but the main kasa bebre no ma obi kasa me na me
Ghana ni a wadwene ye Ghana ni a wodwene o man ho ye nkonko hwe anu wo hene bi tie asuom ono describe MPP flag bearers 5 ne say o me sankwas. The question is sa MPP 5 on omonfo mo CV meto na John Mahama for the CV mra meto ne hwe de papa.
And you see the funny thing is
Come on, Pierre.
The funny thing is the funny thing is how anyway etinya ko report will be ese nipa na kasa na nipa no
me say me busa no say nya Ghana ne nipa di ntu twa ntra John Mahama mfa ne certificate na Dr. Bamudu a mfa ne certificate apart from Ghana no mu free Ghana so mu pa adwuma ne hwe do benya adwuma mfa the president ya wadi nyina mfa nka ne CV ho ne hwe do benya adwuma common sense Emma asantefo ni MPP mpanimfo enhu de oman ne kɔ NDC for the ahoja wotan ani bre baabi omu say MPP de bia no de tribal politics no mo ye ebi no ma ya na ahafo ne bono go be the Karim ogina sampa etimi ka se Emmanuel Ankama sitting judge ne wo ye Samba Jafra pa wo mra ho mbetwa na mena me se video ani tire wo man kwache no obi bie na no an ya soma IGP civilian IGP na meka civilian because omo de omo ko opposition na ho ya abu esiedu nkatia kama no opon James opon bu ani ye IGP no da bia no friend civilian IGP all because na Akufo Addo ama no contract extension ebi no nso wama ayi no entitete ye wo hunu na mede manu si no mampanyin Akufo na Akufo Addo in spite of adwuma pa mo ya MPP nya no wa ye party ni bone meka na no pay contract kakraka ye di ma Ibrahim ama o mampanyin Akufo na me ye de ma na MPP na engineer bi anim. 2 mi busa wo hine kesi bi wo contest ye even some people refer mampanyin ko China and wo de ne koye mi busa sa abre na ahemfu bi ani Asante region Eastern na how wo hine kro na no ye board member or Bank of Ghana MPP lose election na no wo hine first statement say na votarians is slaves for Ghana under MPP me na me ka kire wo Sawa hena no MPP wa bam mo pa mo kenkan all his statement political statement and woye common sense asantefo ahemfo me asem wa America mo da wuro nto ye di ayi bontitu ni be di manchi amomo hunu Ghana asantefo mo di NDC achi mampon all the ayi siremfo ne di mo so mo nko sirem konko se asante ni be ne MC and NDC on me challenge won mi busa na going to 2028 no Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia will prove amobi ehunu se onim de na oka ebamu doc wo de no compare John Mahama na ohene we si asuom e de John Mahama we compare Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia John Mahama president in the 21st century na president wa minister for gender wo gina TV so no wototo ma pass pad Ewuradi Nyankopon na be ho my gan mampanyini a ma pad wo gina ho na nse na metietie ensem okeka ya Ghana for de to abama no mintimi hunu na wasan akwa gina baabi na me ba mi betutu boho na akuafo no masese nsuo mampanyi Mahama mpachi o me na wo kokoo Enti me na nase menka nkyere wo se wo serew wo pese wo kotu borehole no why ready enti me serew borehole na ase wo betutu du koko ase no na wo san akwa akogina baabi secondary school for some mama kwan enche na mabie school ye be ye mponche ne nkokọ na ye dia ye aduane amadi Ewuradi Nyankopon me busa mampanyi Mahama me dia me paacho me nyi akatua sa mponche na wo ka so be yan ama secondary school for no me dia metwa enwan asesa Ewuradi amo me nyi akatua me mforo me nyi case cam me nante me pese me hu mampanyi woni empty. He's empty. John Mahama is nothing. And what he knows assume I and who say didn't compare Dr. Osaya Waduchum, Dr. Lady Mama Dubaumia, Quabre Japan, Brian Champon. Who is John Mahama? John Mahama was just common PRO at Japan embassy. Common PRO. And what he was saying, the audacity at the John Mahama Dr. Alegi Mama Dubaumia. Na MPP de me di twa to okra mesere mo MPP MPs no sa mo makwan ma NDC hunahuna mo wo opposition kwam na binka kakando sa hospitals wo mo ye bi NDC foko bi wo mo ye sa de ni bi enti sa aban ni hunahuna mo organize demonstration 1 million population wa Accra na ma enye standstill o man no afutu am de ma MPP fo ne say aban ni hunahuna mo every constituency biano munyi sika 5,000 people na Accra enye standstill in a month because John Mahama is nothing oninim die biara entimi fa asoja fo hunahuna Ghana fo who is John Mahama common PRO and what Japan embassy John Mahama nim die be no wo abe hunahuna party JB dankwa enim penifo akese etiye no wababa be hunahuna mo na musuro John Mahama who is John Mahama. Nonsense. Na MPs muti won muni ehunahuna mo asojafo be ehunu me say mu opposition Kwabre Minta Kando hospitals omu ye bi so omu hunahuna mo each constituency 207